What's up, guys? It's your girl GraceWorld Beauty. Welcome to another hair tutorial. So, in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how I achieve the hair you saw in the intro. Let's jump right into it. So, this is my hair, freshly washed and detangled with my DIY hair detangler. So, I'm going to start parting my hair. So I'm gonna part my hair in a triangle part shape because I'm gonna do a big stitch braid there. So I'm gonna do a horizontal parting and I'm gonna secure each parting with a small rubber band because I want to make the stitch braid visible. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach my ring and I'm gonna braid it down using my hair extension to add more volume and neatness to my braid.
Yo, B, they ready. Let's go.
Well, guys, let's just take a minute to talk about where I saw this tutorial. I saw this tutorial on this YouTuber. Her name is Luchi Loyo. I think I got it right this time around. This lady is amazing. Girl, you're so amazing. I am so proud of you. I am inspired. And I know that one day my hair is gonna be like yours, and my subscribers will also be like yours. Girl, I am so much in love with your tutorials, and I will be tagging you along to show you how I did it, and I hope you'll be very proud of me. Girl, I hope you'll be very proud of your sister. Your Nigerian sister also struggling. Hope you're very proud of me. So I wanted to do this tutorial just like the way I saw it, but because of my hair is really short, it's not as long as Luchi's own. So I decided to do my own twist. Girl, you don't have to freak out when you try to do, a hair tutorial yourself from somewhere and it's not working, like it's not doing the way. Your hair is not as long or as full as the one you saw. Girl, because of that, I have to go over and do what I know how to do best. So after I have finished adorning like my hair with my ornaments, you know, I went ahead and do my own way. Yes, I did my own twist to the hair. And that is, I took up my hair extension just like the way you want to form a bun. And then I just fixed in the hair, the bun over on my hair, the extension on my hair. And then I braided the hair. Yeah, I braided the hair loosely, not tight. I braided loose braid and I had the ends with the rubber band. And I wrapped it around the bun I already created with my natural hair. And, you know, losing it a little bit. And that is it. That was what I particularly did. And this is the finished look, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And if you have already subscribed, thank you. Let's keep building up the family. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Bye.